Now, first of all, what is that? The problems that students face when it comes to setting for a technical or a product company interview. Problem number one. Okay, let's understand this. When I was applying for my master's, right, I did my undergrad in a college in Chennai called as Anna University. When I was doing my undergrad, when I applied for master's, I used to have a form. In that form, they put a simple criteria. What is that criteria? Is undergrad college type. I was thinking whether it's a government college, private college, funded, etc., etc. When I dropped down that menu, right, there were two options: IIT, NIT, non-IIT, non-NIT. Because that's how the universities or the industry looks at college students, whether you're coming from an IIT, NIT or a non-IIT, NIT. Now, I know I'm specifically kind of conducted this session for non-IIT, NIT students, so you guys know where do you stand. What is the question which I want to ask you is very simple, guys. There are some good core and product companies, whether it's across electronics, whether it's across computer science, whether it's across mechanical, any of these domains, right? There are these regular IT companies, Infosys, TCS, all these big guys, and they're a good analytic company. For example, companies like Latent View Analytics, companies like let's say Tiger Analytics, all this very good analytic company. At the same time, there are banks, finance and consulting organizations. When I say bank, I'm not talking about HDFC Bank, State Bank, etc. I'm talking about international banks like Goldman Sachs. I'm talking about banks like JP Morgan, Credit Suisse. I'm talking about banks like Morgan Stanley. All these very, very big guys. Consulting firms like McKinsey, BCG, Bosch, etc. Bain, etc. Right, and let's say even some creative companies. Let's say companies like sales and marketing, companies around product management. All these niche guys are there. So an example of all these set of questions, right? All the set of companies. Now, what's the question which I want to host to you is just be ready with the chat box, type in a yes or no. You can find the chat box on the left-hand side of the control panel. Okay. What I want to ask you is, do you think all these companies come to your college for campus recruitment?